Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Engineer Kim, a registered mechanical engineer and a freelance designer. Today we're going to talk about one of the most practical equipment used in packaging and transport systems, the roller conveyor. We will use Solidworks to design and assemble its parts, including the roller guide, the rollers, and a sample box load. And along the way, we'll also discuss important factors and design considerations na kailangan tandaan when building this kind of system. So let's proceed with the section 1. What is a roller conveyor? Okay, so ano nga ba ang roller conveyor? Roller conveyors are mechanical systems designed to move materials efficiently. Common na gamit ito sa mga packaging lines, warehouse, and even assembly shops. Its main purpose is to reduce manual handling and improve efficiency. Instead of carrying each box by hand, the conveyor allows the load to roll smoothly along a path. And now, let's proceed with the section 2. The roller guide or yung frame. The roller guide acts as the supporting frame. It holds all the rollers in place, keeping them aligned and stable, usually made of steel or aluminum. It must be strong enough to carry both the rollers and the load. So ano nga bang mga factors na kailangan natin i-consider? First is the material strength. If heavy boxes ang load, mas bagay ang mild steel or stainless steel for durability. Kung light loads lang naman, aluminum is lighter and easier to fabricate. Next is the thickness and rigidity. Mas matibay yung frame, mas stable ang conveyor, too thin and it may bend or deform. And next is the mounting and alignment. Dapat tama ang alignment para smooth ang motion. Even a small misalignment can cause the box to tilt or jump. So using Solidworks, we usually model it as rectangular side frames with slats or holes for mounting the rollers. Next part is the roller. Rollers are the heart of the conveyor. Cylindrical shafts sila that rotate to allow the load to move forward. So ano mga factors to consider? First is the roller diameter. Larger diameters carry heavier loads, while smaller rollers are good for lightweight packaging. And for the roller material naman, steel rollers are durable for heavy-duty loads, while PVC or plastic rollers are cost-efficient for lighter items. And for the bearing and shaft naman, bearings ensure smooth rotation. Without proper bearings, friction will be too high and the conveyor efficiency will drop. Next is the spacing. This is critical. If spacing is too wide, the box may sag or even fall between rollers. A good rule of thumb, roller spacing should be less than 1/3 of the box length. And for the surface finish naman, some rollers have rubber coating to increase friction and prevent slipping, while others are polished steel for smooth sliding. Okay, so using Solidworks, we model them as cylindrical extrusions with shafts that fit into the roller guide. Okay, so for the last part naman ng ating design is the box. So ito yung sample load natin. To make our design realistic, we add a box model as a sample load. This simulates the actual package that will run along the conveyor. So ano nga ba mga factors to consider? First is the weight of the box. It dictates the roller size and frame material. Heavy boxes need strong rollers. And for the dimension naman, box size affects roller spacing and conveyor width. If the box is wider than the conveyor, it won't run smoothly. And that's all for today's vlog. We talk about the parts of a roller conveyor and important design considerations from the roller guide, the rollers, and the sample box load. On the next video, we'll dive into Solidworks motion study to see how the box moves across the rollers in real time. Exciting part yan kasi makikita na natin yung dynamics in action. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo for today's video. Once again, I'm Engineer Kim. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you on my part 2. Bye-bye!